there is a noise here where you fill the gas. So when you press the remote, see, there's a noise. And so this is the problem. The locker is the problem. So I will show you how to replace this locker. Hi, this is Honda Civic 2017, and today there is a noise here where you fill the gas. So when you press the remote, see, there's a noise. And so this is the problem. The locker is the problem. So I will show you how to replace this locker. So we have a new locker here. We have a new locker here to replace. So I will show you how to replace this locker. This lock. Okay. Please subscribe to my channel for videos like this. Thank you. Let's go. So first, you need to move this fitting first, like this. And you unplug the socket, like this. And now you need to open the boot, because we have some opener there. This cable is inside the boot, so you need to open the boot and remove this wire. So for opening this place, now you need to remove this lock. Open it like this. And that's the locker here. Now, that is it. See, this is the replacing one. Like this. So let's remove the locker. So just press here like this. Press this one. Press here. Then you pop it out like this. Then you put it this way. Okay, now, so let's fix it. So you put this one in the hole here. There's a hole here. There's a hole there. So you are going to put this thing inside like this. So now it's fixed. So let's plug the socket like this. Okay. Then make sure here goes first like this. And you are done with everything. So now let's close it and try if there is a sound. So now let's lock it and see. Oh, sorry, let me close the boot. Okay, so let's lock. Wow, now there is no noise again. So this is the problem. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Bye. Thank you.